In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a thorough understanding of each part so you can efficiently manage your accounting entries. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll want to access the QuickBooks Online website. Ensure you're logged into your account and you're on your dashboard where you can see all the available features and tools. The user interface is pretty friendly, so navigating around shouldn't be too daunting. Once you're in, it's time to turn our attention to the Reports section. On your dashboard, locate the Reports option. It usually appears in the left-hand menu, providing you with a wealth of options to analyze your financial data. Go ahead and click on Reports. Now, this is where you have access to all sorts of financial reviews, but our goal today is to find a specific journal entry. To streamline this process, head over to the arrow next to the search bar. Clicking this arrow will allow us to refine the search criteria. In the newly opened menu, you'll either want to click on Journal if it appears in the drop-down, or alternatively, you can type Journal into the search bar. Doing so will direct you to a list of all your journal entries. Make sure to be as precise as possible to avoid any confusion, especially if you have a large number of entries. With a list of journals now at your fingertips, the next step is to locate the specific journal entry that you wish to delete. This might require a little scrolling or a quick search within these journals by dates or numerical significance. Once you've found the particular entry you're looking to remove, go ahead and click on it to open it. Finding yourself inside the specific journal entry, you'll notice several options available at the top of the screen. Here, you'll focus on the More button. This is typically displayed in the upper section of the page, often near where you see editing options. It's a crucial step, as this button contains the key option for deletion. A menu will appear when you click on More, presenting you with various actions. The choice you're going to make here is Delete. It's a straightforward action, but do proceed with caution. Deleting a journal is irreversible, so double-check that this is definitely the entry you'd like to remove from your records, and that's about it. You've successfully deleted an unwanted journal entry from QuickBooks Online. Take a moment to celebrate this small victory in your journey toward mastering QuickBooks for your business needs. Handling journal entries with such ease can save you a lot of time and stress. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and guidance that can help streamline your accounting processes. Until next time, take care and happy bookkeeping.